Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a fishing on the moon photo using Pipet AI for free. Okay, first of all guys, you're going to go to Pipet AI website, then you're going to sign in. And after you sign into the Pipet AI website, you will get free credits. Then go to the home menu, add your prompt here. I'm going to use this prompt. You can also use mine. And I'm going to upload my photo. I'm going to pick random photo from my device. Hold on. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to upload the photo and also the prompt and let the AI do something for this photo. Okay, hold on guys, it's still loading. Okay, and these are the results. Oh my god, it's so cool. And I'm going to choose one of them guys. I'm gonna choose this one. This one looks perfect, and if we want to download it, we can click on this download menu and the photo will be saved to our device. Or if you're not satisfied with the result, you can click on regenerate and the AI will regenerate the photos for you. Okay guys, and that's how we can create a fishing on the moon photo using Pipet AI for free. I hope this video will be useful for you, and if you want to try it yourself, you can click Pipet AI join link on my YouTube description and try to make any photo or any video as creative as you can. Thank you so much for watching and bye!